Bore da or Prynhawn da St Andrews. I hope you're having a lovely week. It's been lovely to see all your work on Twitter surrounding Science Week, which is super exciting. So keep up the amazing work. Now, today we are going to finish learning the song that we started learning last week. Now, just to remind you, I'm going to put the lyrics up on the screen and I'm going to play you the song just one more time. So it just reminds you of the song that we were singing. Now, let's just get those lyrics up for you. Here we go. So this one is called Swansea Town. Okay. Now let's play it and you can follow the lyrics on the screen. Lovely. This is definitely one of my most favourite songs. Now, we are just going to go through the tune, just my turn, your turn, just to remind us of the lyrics and of the tune. So, my turn, your turn. I'm going home to Swansea Town. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. The day is nearly dawning. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. One lovely sea town morning. One lovely sea town morning. Good. Now we're going to do 2 lines at a time. So my turn, your turn. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. Your turn. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. Good. My turn. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. One lovely sea town morning. Your turn. I'm going home to the seaport sound, one lovely sea town morning. Good. Now the second verse, fab news, same tune, different lyrics. So my turn, your turn, and we'll do one line at a time. I'm going home to Swansea town. I'm going home to Swansea town, to where the waves are brambled. Now, this is the next line that does sound quite quick, so listen. Neath the sea town sky, neath the sea town sky, where the seagulls cry, where the seagulls cry, where as a boy I rambled, where as a boy I rambled. Good. Now we're just going to go through those two verses with the music, then we can move on to the next two. Here we go. Sitting up nice and straight, relax your shoulders, big breath. Ready? Very good. Well done, St Andrews. Now, the next two lines, again, next two verses, sorry, again, are, good news, same tune, different lyrics. Okay, so my turn, your turn. And she'll be waiting there for me. And she'll be waiting there for me. My turn. She'll be glad to see me. She'll be glad to see me. And I'll not leave my town again. And I'll not leave my town again. A fortune won't persuade me. A fortune won't persuade me. Good. Now, two lines at a time. My turn, your turn. Getting the hang of this now, aren't we? So here we go. My turn, two lines. And she'll be waiting there for me. She'll be glad to see me. Your turn. And she'll be waiting there for me. She'll be glad to see me. Good. My turn. Two lines. And I'll not leave my town again. A fortune won't persuade me. Your turn. And I'll not leave my town again. A fortune won't persuade me. Good. Now we're going to sing that verse all the way through without the music. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And she'll be waiting there for me. She'll be glad to see me. And I'll not leave my town again. A fortune won't persuade me. Very good. Last verse. Now, if you remember rightly, on the track, it's what we call a descant. And it sounds like somebody is repeating our lyrics. Now, ignore the repetition for now. You're only just going to sing it exactly like we have been, okay? But on the track, it will sound, I'm going home to Swansea Town. And you'll hear somebody repeating the lyrics. Now, that is actually a recording of St Andrew's pupils. So it's really nice that we can sing along with people that went to St Andrew's. But what we're going to do is we're just going to sing that last verse exactly like all the others. No repeating, but you will hear it on the track, which will sound beautiful when we put it all together at the end. So, my turn, your turn, one line at a time. Let's go. I'm going home to Swansea Town. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. The day is nearly dawning. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. One lovely sea town morning. One lovely sea town morning. Last one. One lovely sea town morning. Last one. One lovely sea town morning. Yes, we made it all the way through. That last line is repeated, exactly the same tune, which is fab. So we are going to do that last verse 2 lines at a time, then we'll put it all together. So, ready? My turn, your turn, 2 lines. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. Your turn. I'm going home to Swansea Town. The day is nearly dawning. Good. And now I'm going to do the last 3 lines. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. One lovely sea town morning. One lovely sea town morning. Your turn. I'm going home to the Seaport Sound. One lovely sea town morning. One lovely sea town morning. Good. Now we're going to do the last 2 verses. Then we're going to put it all together. So here we go. And she'll be waiting. Ready? Good. Now, here is your challenge, St Andrews. Can we Do it all the way through. I know you can. So sitting up nice and straight, let's get going. All the way from the beginning, all the way through. Here we go. Ready? And that's given me goosebumps. Well done, St Andrews. I am super proud of you yet again. You do it every single week. Now, that's it from me today. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Your teachers are super, super proud of you. So keep doing what you are doing. And I shall hopefully see you all very, very soon. Ta, Bocky.